The OBDPEAK K4 is a powerful 11.26-inch smart dash cam that transforms your rearview mirror into a wide-angle, 4K front and 1080p rear dual-lens display. The ultra-clear touchscreen delivers smooth video streams with automatic brightness adjustment, capturing license plates and road signs with impressive detail, even in challenging lighting. You can view both front and rear cameras simultaneously, making every drive safer and clearer. It supports the latest wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, enabling hands-free calls, navigation, messages, and music with voice commands via Siri or Google Assistant. When connected, it becomes a smart mirror infotainment hub. Built-in GPS, when paired with the GPS module, logs speed, coordinates, and routes, perfect for replaying your journeys in detail. Audio quality is equally refined with Bluetooth, FM, or AUX output options for crisp, high-fidelity sound. Reversing is safer with automatic rear camera activation, displaying a wide, high-definition view, even in rain or dust. You can also download and preview footage directly through the app via Wi-Fi, tweak settings, or capture moments instantly. With optional 24H parking monitoring via a hardware kit, the K4 protects your vehicle around the clock. Whether you're driving or parked, connected or not, the K4 adapts, offering you peace of mind and a smarter, safer driving experience.